plan on
Yeah,
staying
outside, man. I know my help. I just took the bread, so I ain't sending just popped out. Blew up. I'm outside, man. What T out here painting wheels and shit. Well, look, man. I got this shit. They got the wheels out here, man. This nigga like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nigga cutting grass and shit. Follow him on IG, y'all.
Send my hoodie. That's what you need to do.
Yeah, we're gonna get on. He talking negative.
I don't care. I need to shot past me. I was like, wait a minute.
Hey, you be tossing that bitch is spinning with a 275.
Car meet vibes out here, man. We got another car to throw on. Car meet.
Hey, come down a little more.
Outside, man. Oh my God.
Can't fault me, boy. Can't fault me, Billy. Shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey,
What
outside.
that shit
Outside.
talking, boy? What that nigga talking? What that nigga talking? Hello? What that nigga talking, dude? What you do right now? Tell Bud, I got that shit.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, hey, he was dog walking that motherfucker every time.
Every time.
Even out the hit, bro. Even
Yeah,
out the hit,
on the
like,
hit.
coming around him.
On the hit.
Oh,
Came
my
around him.
goodness. That's how you drive, Hockey. Get what he saying.
Yeah.
Listen.
Hey, that motherfucker goddamn
Hey, this ain't Bud, though. I let you get the hit and everything, dude.
What?
I told you he was coming around. Look, I just started cruising. I said, yup, Terry, you're going around his ass. Oh, God. That big go 140 a building.
140 a building.
Yeah, I was at 138.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it goes.
Yeah, you're going to keep up tomorrow.
Yeah, easily.
Keep up.
Yeah, all the way up.
Billy, I was in regular mode the whole time. I swear to God.
Not even
That
sport.
wasn't sport.
bitch, never mind bitch. I'm ready to play, don't care about bitches.